Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to convert image to icon in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already unlocked this image. Then click this tool, right click, use pen bucket tool, mode clear, and click remove this background. Hold Control, selected, use color black. Hold Alter, press backspace, press Control S, press Control D. Then go to File, Save as, use PNG format icon or EPS icon. I use first of all PNG and again go to file, save as, use EPS format. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Example, use this name.